Every website has hidden doors you'll never see on the surface. Subdomains, mail, API, admin, staging, they're all there, invisible, waiting. Subfinder by Project Discovery finds them all. It's the fastest passive subdomain enumerator in the game, and it queries over 40 sources without touching the target. Think of it like a spider web scanner. Subfinder sits on your machine and quietly asks hundreds of data sources, certificate transparency logs, DNS databases, search engines. Do you know any subdomains of example.com? Each source replies, and Subfinder stitches together the complete map. Installation takes one command. If you have Go installed, just run Go install with the Subfinder path. It downloads, compiles, and drops a binary on your system. Done in seconds. Point it at any domain. Subfinder silently queries every source, aggregates the results, removes duplicates, and gives you a clean list of every subdomain it found. Look at what comes back. You've got mail servers, API endpoints, admin panels, staging environments, databases, VPN gateways, developer tools, dashboards. Each one is a potential entry point, and Subfinder just handed you the full map. This is where it gets powerful. Pipe Subfinder into other tools. Feed the list into map for port scanning, into HTTPX for live web detection, into nuclei for vulnerability scanning. One command chains into a full reconnaissance pipeline. Important disclaimer. Only use Subfinder on domains you own or have explicit permission to test. Passive enumeration doesn't send traffic to the target, but the results can expose real vulnerabilities. Stay legal, stay ethical. If you want to learn ethical hacking, hit that subscribe button.